This video shows a general description of fricative sounds. I try to speak British English. There are 9 fricative sounds. 8 of them are pairs of voiceless and voiced sounds with the same pronunciation style, such as s, s, f, f, sh, ch, f, f. Ha is an independent voiceless sound. The fricative sounds of Japanese are generally short and weak, and they are the sounds most likely to cause difficulty in pronunciation up, like Elsa. To maintain proper sound length, fricative sounds, except for require tension in what I call the facial muscles 1, which are under the lower lip. Almost all English sounds use the facial muscles 1. Look at the pictures. All the celebrities have big jaws. In order for Japanese to pronounce fricative sounds as strongly and for as long as native speakers do, it's necessary to tighten the lung and core muscles. In addition, whenever you speak English, as I taught you twice on the former videos, we have to keep the throat open and the core muscles tighten. You can get this position by pretending to suck through a straw like this. When you do it, the vocal cords go down and the uvula goes up, and then the throat is perpendicularly open. When you touch the abdomen, you surely feel the core muscles tighten. I called it the first position for English pronunciation. Let's pronounce each fricative sound by keeping the first position plus the tightening the facial muscles 1. Let's get started. In and tighten. Is an exception over the fricative sounds. It's a friction of vocal cords. To make this sound, breathe into the palm of your hand. This is sound. Don't forget the first position and tightening the facial muscles 1. Thank you for watching.